Hello and welcome to yet another video from SV Mining and Heels on Wheels, and today we'll be talking about how to connect multiple hard drives to your Chia mining rig. So this is a problem which everybody must be facing these days. The general commercial motherboards, they have 4, 6 or at max 8 SATA ports, and once you connect all of those SATA ports to some of the hard drives, a bunch of hard drives, then how do you connect more? And with the hard disk or hard drive pricing soaring up, you don't get to have high capacity hard drives, and like me, I have a bunch of 4 TB hard drives. So how do you connect more hard drives to your computer? This video is all about that. So there are multiple options to connect more hard drives to your computer. One of those is to connect over USB 3.0 ports, just like how I have done it. I have multiple 5 TB hard drives connected to USB ports, but then you have limited USB 3 ports on your motherboard and your computer, and then once you run out of those, how do you connect more? The next is to connect them via a USB 3.0 splitter, but then they are not very reliable. They need an external power source for you to connect multiple large capacity hard drives. Then what next? Then comes these PCIe cards, which have 2, 4, 6, I have seen up to 6 port, which is connected to a PCIe slot. You should have multiple PCIe slots on your motherboard, and you can be able to connect up to 2, 4 or 6 hard drives via these cards, totally depending on what card have you purchased. But then the downside of having such cards is that they are dependent on the PCIe lanes available on your computer. So I since have a 3070 graphic card running on the motherboard, and then I have 2 NVMe drives as well running on the motherboard. So that means I have limited PCIe lanes. So the problem which I faced with this particular card was that only 2 of the ports worked, and this card could detect only 2 hard drives connected to it, irrespective of which port I had connected these hard drives to. It could only read 2 of them. So now, how do you connect more hard drives onto this computer? This next solution which I'm talking about is a bit pricey one, but then this is the best one. So what you see here, connected just below my graphic card, my GPU, is the SAS HBA card. So you will be seeing a picture over here on the screen. This is called a SAS card. This card is usually used in server cases to connect a bunch of hard drives. These cards can be used to connect these hard drives to a RAID controller as a RAID device, or you can simply have them as a host bus adapter and just simply publish the hard drives into your Windows operating system as a bunch of hard drive. So this card which I have, this card can enable you to connect up to 8 SATA hard drives. This has 2 SAS ports, and each SAS port is capable of connecting 4 hard drives. So this is an X8 PCI slot card. So this card requires 8 PCI lanes and needs to be connected to the PCI slot which has 8 lanes. Even if you connect it to the X1 slot with full X16 size, it won't work. You need to have 8 lanes for this card to work. So as seen here, this is an X8 card. So I bought it off eBay for around $90 along with 2 SAS to SATA cables which came along with it, and I'll be connecting this on one of the PCI slots over here. Card comes with a set of cables which is required to connect the hard drives. So what you see here is the cable which is connected to my SAS card. So this end goes into the SAS card. This is a SAS port, this is a SAS 8087 port, and here you see 4 SATA ports. So 1 SAS lane, 4 SATA lanes. So with this method, With the help of this particular SAS HBA card, this is an flashed IT mode Dell H310 SAS card, which I have in India, and sourcing these cards here in India is difficult, so I had to buy them off of eBay, and thankfully they arrived here in 20 days. So yeah, this is it. This is how you connect a bunch of hard drives to a computer to farm Chia on the main net. So let me know your thoughts and comments. Let me know how you are connecting your hard drives to the Chia mining or farming machine of yours. Just having a quick look of my Chia farmer. So I hit a couple of blocks while solo farming, just a couple of days before the official cooling protocol came up. Okay, now I'll be showing you the bunch of hard drives which I have. I have total of 17 hard drives connected to this farmer alone. You see 17 hard drives, and let me show you how this SAS HBA card shows up in the device manager. Okay, so this is a Dell 6 GB SAS HBA. So with the help of this card, I can connect additional 8 drives. I have connected 3 of them right now, and I can connect 5 more. Now I'll show you how the disk manager looks like. It will take few seconds, few minutes to load up. Okay, here it is. So these 3 first drives, disk 0, disk 1, disk 2, these are the hard drives which are connected over the SAS card which I have, the Dell SAS card, and rest of the others are connected via the SATA port or the USB ports. So this is it, guys. So the hard drives on the SAS card are shown first, and then the rest of them. So this is it. Let me know how you are doing your Chia farming, how your setup looks like, and what is the strategy and everything. And do comment, let me know. Thank you, have fun, cheers, stay tuned for more such videos. Bye bye.